Oh, all these papers to grade. Man, will I ever get to the bottom? Oh, what's this? An email? I won? I won! I won a boat trip! I won a boat trip for all of my friends! A free boat trip? You want to go, Mrs. Davis?
Sure.
Do you want to go on the boat?
Of course.
Do you want to go on my boat?
Well, yeah.
Yeah! Do you want to go on my boat?
I would love to.
You want to go on my boat?
Yeah. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Do you want to go on my boat?
Yeah, I want to be on a boat. Can I get on a boat?
Mrs. Davis?
Who else should I take on my boat? Let's see here, T-Pain?
Sure.
I'm on a boat, students take a look at me. Straight flowing on my boat, my perilous journey. 10 years later, just finished the Trojan War. Look out, boys, we're headed for show. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at Odysseus' boat.
Poseidon got out of the sea. He's a little mad at me. I poked the eye out of his son. Unfortunately, he only had one. I had to, cause he left me no choice. Cyclops said he gonna eat me in the low, boys. We stabbed his eye and hid under some sheep. Then escaped the boat for some beauty sleep.
The witch Circe turned my men to animals. I had to save them, it was a really close call. And on our next venture the siren started to sing. And you better believe our ears began to ring. My men tied me up, tempted they knew I'd be. But my one true love's my sweet thing, Penelope. We passed the Siren Island, ooh, thank goodness. Now we gotta deal with that darn Shabadis. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at Odysseus' boat.
Just when we think we're home free, Skylar eats 6 men, putting us in jeopardy. Now we're starved and famished, don't eat the meat. The cattle of the sun god almost killed the fleet.
Once again, yeah. We have to retreat, always keeping us on our feet. I'm on a boat and it's going fast, and gotta get back before the suitors take my wife's hand. Get back to my pretty Penelope.
Homer, you know he, writing about mythology.
I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm trying to stay afloat. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at Odysseus' boat. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, boy!